tails is what he called. It's a head. You won the toss. What do you want? You want to defer?
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, baby!
I'm watching you, dog! Let's go, Chris!
I'm watching you, let's go! Behind it.
See the stick! Go!
We'll take it, baby!
Oh, yeah, baby!
Andrew Burns, touchdown, Harvard.
Hell yeah, baby! That's what I'm talking about!
Andrew Burns, touchdown, Harvard.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
Yeah, let's go. A lot of games.
A lot of games, baby. Let's go.
A lot of games. Wall Street's in. Wall Street. Wall Street. Wall Street. Here you go. Spade, fly.
Okay, fellas, here's the deal. They're breaking a few tendencies, so we're going to end up running a couple things that we haven't necessarily practiced against.
Let's go, baby. What you got, baby? What you got?
Get home, John. Get home.
Oh, yes! Let's go, Nick!
You can't let him. Also, you can't let him have his hands. You can't let him have a good target.
I return.
Let's have a half here, bro.
Here we go. Yeah, let's have some fun. Let's have some first.
Let's go get some money. Let's go get some money.
First quarter fun, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Alright, M.A.N., dropping the football. Alright, take care of what you can take care of. Alright, let's make big plays on these guys, fellas. Let's go.
Oh, yeah!
15.